Hey Coco, do you know what today is? Ipsy Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button please, and if you're not new,
thanks for coming back.
Thanks for coming back. Okay y'all, it is Ipsy Day. Let's go ahead and jump into it. First, I do want to say we have a big giveaway going on our BoxyCharm video. I will link that, but it's got a ton of great makeup products in that giveaway, so go ahead and check that out. Okay, let's start out with this. This is from Lashaholic. These actually retail for $19.99, and the name of these are Elevate. I was going to use them today, but I wanted a shorter, more natural kind of lash because I was going for like a really no makeup. I didn't use foundation. I used a tinted moisturizer, so I didn't use these, but I was going to. Maybe next time I'll use them, but they are super, let's see.
They're cute.
Yes, they're cute. They're very cute. Then we have this blush from MOTD. This retails for $20. It has a rubber band thing to hold it. This is what it looks like. I used this blush today. I just swirled all in it. I didn't use any bronzer or contour. I just used the blush, and I feel like it gave me a nice pop of color. I like this. Just swirled my finger in there. Okay, and that's what that looks like. She's really pretty. I am not mad at this one. Okay, the next thing we got retails for $25. This is from Tarte. It is the Double Take Awake. It is in black and brightener. I haven't even opened this to look at it. So you have a black felt tip liner. I don't use these, but I picked this because I want to start trying new things. As you can tell, my makeup is not my normal makeup, but I'm really trying to get out of my comfort zone. So I tried a new primer today. Didn't love it. We got it in a BoxyCharm. I think it's the Patrick Star. Anyway, I'm just trying new things, so that's why I picked this. It's just black. And then you have that there. Let's see. Oh, I broke it. It's broken, y'all. I just broke it right off. I didn't even push hard. Oh no. Okay, let's try again. I'll be really gentle. Can you see it? And there's that. I know, I broke it. It popped right off, y'all. Damn. Next we have this from Kaleido. What is this? Kaleido Cosmetics. It's skin illuminating. It's a trio. I can't tell because I don't have glasses on, so I don't know if we're focused here, but it's a peachy trio. Okay, I'll just swatch them down here. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's what they look like. I can hear all the kids. They came upstairs. I think we're actually on to our last thing already, are we? Yeah, we are on to our last thing. Oh, let me show you the bag. Coco wants to keep the bag, but this is the bag that you get.
I want it.
She wants it. There's some stuff in there. Here you go. You can have that.
Yeah.
So we haven't actually done any makeup in like a full week because Coco and Yaya had pink eye. And I had them in their room the whole time. They would come down to eat and it would just be us in the kitchen. And then I was the one who gave them baths. They brushed their teeth. Everything, they went in their own bathroom. No one else went in there but me. But since I was the one around them, no matter how many times I washed my hands or sanitized, there was always that chance that I would get pink eye too. So we didn't do any makeup at all for an entire week.
Yeah, only for one day.
Yeah. Today we're doing makeup. Today's the first day in a long time.
And also we had 2 pink eyes. 2
pink eyes. Well, their school has a note on the door that says 2 confirmed cases of pink eye. They are the 2 confirmed. Luckily, we're okay now. Coco does not like the drops. You don't like the drops, do you?
No.
No. Okay, last thing, we have this $30 Tarte palette, and she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I used it today. Like I said, I was going really for a no makeup look. I used a tinted moisturizer, little bit of blush. I just did the gel stuff from e.l.f. on my eyebrows, and a little bit of this. Tried to keep it very simple. I'm trying to do different things and also learn to love me. In 2023, I want to find my love for myself again. I feel like getting older, I've become more insecure. My skin, just imperfections, and you know, and it happens. But I feel like doing this very light makeup application is going to be a step closer to me being able to just go on camera and not have any makeup on and feel good about it. Feel not like I look so ugly. It sounds bad, y'all. It sounds bad, but I'm just saying that's how I feel.
It's ugly.
It's ugly. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this for y'all because she is gorgeous and I want to swatch it to see. Okay, so I did use this shade. I didn't use this or this. So first 3, that liner, I wiped everything off, but that liner is still there, so that's a strong one. Next 3, I did use this one and I used this one. This is what those look like. And then the last row, and I did use this. Oh shit, can y'all even see? I did use this one and this one also. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 out of 9. That's what that looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. And it's kind of hard to see because I have brown tan skin and these are very brown neutral shades, but they do pick up really nicely and I do love the way it came out. This was a quick video. Let's see, we're at less than 12 minutes. This is our quick video here. So okay, so quick reminder, I will link the BoxyCharm so you can check that out. Go ahead and enter into the giveaway. Like I said, ton of great products. We've got Rare Beauty, there's some MAC, there's some, I think, Pat McGrath. Just there's some good products in there, so go ahead and check that one out. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things. Oh, you can't touch the lens. Little short arms.
Me.
Yeah, I see you too.
I can see.
Okay, anyway, last thing. Bless you. Did you just fart? Okay.
Hey everybody, we're back. Thanks for joining our channel that thanks for coming back.
Yeah, click that subscribe button.
Cause that's the diaper. Goodbye.
I thought I heard something.
Okay.
I didn't hear anything. Let me wipe this off.
I can do this.
Okay, my towel dried.